2026 is a big year for gamers, as PlayStation Plus has already dropped what we're getting this month. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your tech and gaming hub. Sony has officially revealed the PlayStation Plus Extra and Premium games for January, and the lineup is stacked with 9 new titles joining the Games Catalogue. It's really a serious mix of horror, action, racing, and indie gems to kick off the year in style. First is Resident Evil Village, the chilling survival horror hit that still gives players goosebumps, alongside Like a Dragon: Infinite Wealth, one of the most talked about RPGs and expeditions, a MudRunner game, A Quiet Place: The Road Ahead, and the brutal challenge of the Darkest Dungeon 2, and January's already looking packed. And the surprises don't stop there. Quirky psychological experience, The Exit 8, Racer, Art of Rally, cozy puzzle, A Little to the Left, and classic arcade legend Ridge Racer completes the list that offers something for every kind of player. PlayStation confirmed in a blog post that excitement is high among extra and premium subscribers, although some fans are sad for older titles released. All 9 games hit the PlayStation Plus Games Catalog on January 20th. On top of that, all PS Plus members can still grab January's monthly games like Need for Speed Unbound, Epic Mickey Rebrushed, and Core Keeper, which they can claim until February 2nd. Looks like Sony's all set for 2026, and PlayStation Plus subscribers are in for a ride. Which game will you play first? Tell us in the comments, like and share the video. Subscribe to GadInsider and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Team up, grab a second controller, and clear some couch space because PlayStation Plus is about to get a serious multiplayer glow up. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for all the tech and gaming news. Sony's latest update lands on December 16th, bringing new games to PS Plus Extra and Premium with co-op action taking center stage. In total, 8 new titles are heading to PS Plus Extra alongside 1 Premium edition, but the real headline? 5 of those games are built for playing together, making this one of the strongest co-op months the service has seen all year. Leading the pack is Cat Quest 3, a bright, pirate-themed action RPG that lets 2 players adventure side by side from start to finish. It's colorful, fast, and perfect for casual co-op sessions. Next up is Grand Blue Fantasy Relink. It's full of stylish anime action and unlockable co-op missions. It's flashy, combat-heavy, and ideal for friends who love fighting battles together. Families aren't left out either. LEGO Horizon Adventures retells the story of Horizon Zero Dawn with classic LEGO humor, while Paw Patrol World offers gentle exploration for younger players and parents. Paw Patrol Grand Prix X adds multiplayer kart racing into the mix for extra chaos. For players craving something tougher, Wo Long Fallen Dynasty brings intense Souls-like combat with the option to summon friends when the bosses start getting brutal. The game launched with good reviews and is widely seen as a major win for the PS Plus library. Ending the update are Planet Coaster 2 and more solo-friendly additions, giving players plenty of choice whether they want to build, battle, or bond. With co-op games for kids, casual players, and hardcore fans, Sony's latest PS Plus drop feels perfectly timed, just as everyone's looking for games to play together over the holidays. So who are you playing with? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates. Don't panic, PS5 fans. Your console isn't going anywhere yet, as the PlayStation 5 hits its 5th birthday. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for all the tech and gaming news. Sony has no plans to rush out a PS6. In fact, the company says the old one still has plenty of life left. PlayStation's business chief Eric Lempel told BBC News the PS5 is hitting their stride now and promises there's a lot of great content still to come. Supply problems at launch may be behind us, but the console has already sold over 84 million units worldwide, and its biggest hit hasn't even dropped yet. Gamers can look forward to blockbuster releases like Marvel's Wolverine in 2026 and Naughty Dog's Intergalactic. Industry expert Christopher Dring says the pace of game development is slowing things down. Big titles now take years to make, sometimes longer than the gap between consoles used to be. Even Grand Theft Auto 6 has been pushed to November 2026. Meanwhile, players are trying more games than ever. Many are exploring smaller, unique titles with the big hits. This variety keeps PS5 fresh and in demand, even as rivals like Microsoft are trying to catch up. But on the handheld side, that's a different story. Nintendo Switch 2 is winning with 10 million units sold, although it was only launched this June. But Sony isn't backing down. Their PlayStation Portal, which streams games from a PS5, is exceeding expectations and showing that the brand is still innovating. Dring also notes that many top games today are still playable on older consoles, which means even if PS6 arrives, it might not force players to upgrade right away. For now, the PS5 is the king, and gamers are more than happy to stick around for the ride. For more details, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. If you thought the PlayStation Portal was just a glorified PS5 remote, think again. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech and gaming corner. Sony is shaking up portable gaming with a game-changing update. Since its 2023 launch, the Portal let die-hard fans play their PS5 games on the go, but only if their console was running back home. No PS5, no play. But that all changes now. Sony's officially rolled out cloud streaming for the PlayStation Portal, a move that could finally turn it into a must-have handheld. PlayStation Plus premium subscribers can now stream a selection of PS5 games directly to the device. That means you can play Ghost of Yoti, Grand Theft Auto 5, Final Fantasy VII Rebirth, and more from anywhere, whether your PS5 is being hogged by a sibling or left at home. This update is more than just convenience. It's all about portability. Gone are the days of remembering to leave your console powered on. All you need is a fast internet connection, your Portal, and a PlayStation Plus premium subscription. Suddenly, the Portal's no longer just an accessory. It's a true standalone gaming machine in your pocket. Sony's recent improvements, like including public Wi-Fi support, already made the device more travel-friendly. And now, by adding cloud gaming to the mix, the Portal's finally stepping out of the shadow of the PlayStation and carving its own way. While the list of supported titles isn't long, it's enough to get hardcore gamers excited about taking their PS5 library everywhere. For anyone who wanted a handheld that actually lived up to the PlayStation on the go promise, the Portal's new cloud capabilities might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Didn't you like this upgrade? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Hold on to your controllers because the pigs have officially flown. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. Microsoft's iconic Halo franchise, which has always been the crown jewel of Xbox, is now making a jaw-dropping entry in the PlayStation with Halo Campaign Evolved, a full remake of the original Halo Combat Evolved. Yes, you heard that right. Sony fans will finally get a taste of the game that launched a legend. Halo's always been siding with Xbox since day one. The original game, released alongside the console on November 15, 2001, defied a generation of first-person shooters. For over 2 decades, the franchise remained firmly locked to Microsoft's platform, becoming a defining feature of Xbox identity. Even when the games were ported to PC in recent years, console exclusivity remained intact until now. The announcement was enough to make the gaming industry buzz, and for PlayStation owners, this is nothing short of a dream come true. To finally get to experience Master Chief's epic battle against the Covenant with reimagined modern graphics. And for Xbox loyalists, it's a bittersweet moment as Halo steps onto a rival console, which feels like the end of an era, a crack in the fortress of exclusivity that defined the brands for decades. So, mark your calendar for 2026, because Halo Campaign Evolved is coming to blend nostalgia with next-gen gameplay, giving both old fans and newcomers a chance to relive the legendary story in a whole new light. Are you a Halo fan? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.